Hi there, students. Counterfeit. Counterfeit. Counterfeit can be a noun, an adjective, or a verb. Notice the pronunciation at the end. Counterfeit. Fit. Okay? If something is counterfeit, it's false, especially money. When I hear the word to counterfeit, I immediately think of somebody making false money. But to counterfeit is to make something intended to deceive, something that appears to be real and genuine, and somebody can try and pass it off, make someone else believe it is real. So, to counterfeit, to make false money. A forger counterfeits a painting. Notice, you can say a counterfeit painting, but I think you would forge a picture or forge a signature. Yeah, you could counterfeit somebody's signature, but I like the word forge better. I think maybe the difference between to forge and to counterfeit, both meaning to make something false intended to deceive, I think if you forge, something's a one-off. You just make one of them or a couple of them. But if you counterfeit, I have a feeling this is in series. So counterfeiting banknotes, you make thousands of them. Okay, he had a counterfeit smile on his face. I think I might use the word fake or sham smile there, but you definitely could say he had a counterfeit smile on his face. Notice the word counterfeit says that the person who does this has bad intentions. They're not being honest. He was convicted of passing counterfeit banknotes. Okay, counterfeit, a facsimile. So a facsimile means an exact copy of something. But I think a facsimile is not normally made to deceive. It's just a copy of it. Whereas something that's counterfeit is a perfect facsimile that is used to trick someone. The company was making huge numbers of counterfeit Levi jeans. That's quite good because you've got them in series as well. You might say fake Levi jeans. He counterfeited being my friend because he wanted me to give him some money. I think pretended you might use there, but you could use counterfeited. So, a counterfeit something, a falsification. Counterfeiting currency is a serious criminal offence. Okay, so what about formality? I think I'd give this maybe a 5.5 in formality. You could use it in an informal conversation. You could use it in the most formal document. To counterfeit, a regular verb. He counterfeited the money. They have counterfeited millions of pounds. Now the origin. Well, this comes from Old French. Counterfeit. Counter, contre, against, counter. And fit from faire, to make, or facere in Latin. So to make this against, something like that. So counterfeit, fake money particularly, fake bank notes, fake coins, counterfeit coins. You could counterfeit a picture, you could counterfeit designer clothes, you could counterfeit an emotion, but the primary use, counterfeit money, fake money. So there you go. This guy, he's not genuine, he's counterfeit. He shams the whole time. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Counterfeit.